Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the Genesis 28 apartment building, and that is it straight ahead. Now to the right where you see the building under construction, that's the Rogers apartment building, but we're zooming in on Genesis 28, and this building is located off Waterloo Road in the parish of St. Andrew, or in the city of Kingston. Now this is a luxury apartment complex. It's 8 floors high and has 24 units in it. This is what you call a luxury apartment building. Actually, all these buildings that you see here, to the left of it is Parkhurst 1, and then all the way to the left where you see the blue in the building, that is 20 South. And then to the right, that is the Rogers apartment building. And all of these are residential apartment buildings. And they're practically in the New Kingston area. New Kingston is within walking distance from these apartments. And this is a new trend that you find that's happening in Jamaica now. They're building these high-rise buildings. And they just seem to be getting taller and taller every time they build them. This one that we're looking at, Genesis 28, is 8 floors. But the building to the right, the Rogers, that's going to be 20 floors. That's going to be the tallest building in Jamaica when finished. Currently, the Pegasus Hotel at 17 floors is the tallest building in Jamaica. And then the Rogers will not be the longest, the Rogers building will not be the tallest for very long, because they have plans to build 2 buildings that are going to be even taller than 20 floors. The Ascent in New Kingston is the building hasn't started construction yet, but when it's finished, it's going to be over 20 floors. I think it's 26 floors. And then they have plans to build and building in Montego Bay that's going to be 27 floors. But both the Montego Bay building and the Ascent, they haven't started construction yet. So the Rogers will be the tallest building in Jamaica, and that's it there that we're looking at now when finished. But Jamaica has definitely, how would you say it now, has moved towards building these high-rise buildings. There are so many high-rise buildings that are going up now. You have the Cambridge in New Kingston, that's over 170 units. You have the Via at the Braemar. You have the Residence at Terra Nova. You have 20 South. You have Parkhurst. You have Genesis 28. You have the Rogers. All these are high-rise buildings. And then you have one Belmont. That one I think is 8 floors, but that's going to be a commercial building. Alright guys, so enjoy the drone tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.